In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily improve your audio in CapCut and reduce all the background noise. So that's quite simple, interesting and easy. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, guys, you will have to open the CapCut application. Now once you're on this page, you will have to import basically an audio or video. So first of all, we will take a video, for example this one. Now if you want to remove the background noise and you want to improve the audio of this video, this particular video, you will have to all you'll have to do is to select the video, then scroll this toolbar to the left side, and at the second last you'll find an option of reduce noise. You will have to click on it and then turn it on. Now it will reduce all the background noise and will improve your audio, and then you'll have to click on that export button to export your video. So that's how you can easily remove background noise and improve your audio in CapCut. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe